Number 2, draw rectangular fraction models of 3 times 1/4 and 1/3 times 1/4. Compare multiplying a number by 3 and by 1/3. So first I'm going to draw the multiplication sentence for each of them. The first one is 3 over 1 times 1/4. Our next one is 1/3 times 1/4. Our job is to compare them, meaning which one is larger and which one is smaller. So we need to draw rectangular fraction models. We have this one right here that we're going to look at first. I'm going to draw our diagram, and I'm going to break it into 4 equal sections, shading 1 out of the 4. And then I'm going to build up 1 and up 1 more because we're multiplying times 1/3. And so it's 3 by our 4. And now we know we have 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can also go back to our multiplication sentence to double check it. 1 times 1 equals 1. 3 times 4 equals 12. So 1/3 times 1/4 equals 1/12. Now let's go ahead and draw a rectangular model for 3 times 1/4. So what we need to do is draw our model. We're going to break this into 3 sections because our total is 3. Then we need to figure out that each of these equals 1/4, right? And our total is 1. So 1/4 and 1/4. So if one of these equals 1/4, it would be 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4 plus another 4th would equal 3/4. We can double check that by doing 3 times 1 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. Now we have 3/4 and 1/12. We need to compare them, but we have 2 denominators that are different from one another. We need to find a common denominator. So let's go through our 4 facts and our 12 facts. 4 and 12. 4, 8, 12. We already noticed that 12 is going to be our common denominator. This stays as 1/12. 3/4 becomes 4 times 3 equals 12. So what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now we're comparing 9/12 and 1/12. Which one is larger? 9/12 is larger. So we figured out which one was larger by drawing a rectangular model and by creating a multiplication sequence.